right, welcome to section 2.2. We're going to do 4 examples today. We're going to do question number 4 first. Question number 4 says, the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers if the first integer is x. First thing we're going to do is organize our information. It says we have 3 numbers. The first one is x. If they're going to be consecutive odd integers, the next one's going to be x plus 2. Because if this one's 3, 2 bigger is 5. Both odd numbers, because odds are 2 apart and evens are 2 apart. The next one is x plus 4. So if we add them together, notice that they don't tell us what it's equal to, so they just want us to simplify. So I'm going to write the sum is x, gives me 3x. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the sum of the first 3 consecutive odd integers is 3x plus 6. The next problem we're going to do is question 11. In question 11, this is a descriptor story problem where it describes the equation that you want. It says 4 times the difference. Notice if it says 4 times x, then it's just 4x. But this says 4 times the difference, so we're going to use x minus 2, and 4 times the difference is the same as 2 increased by 4 times the number plus 2 times the number. So there's our equation that we're going to use. To solve that, we're going to distribute, giving me 4x minus 8. And over here, I get 6x plus 2. And if I simplify by subtracting 4x from both sides, I get negative 8 equals 2x plus 2 minus the 2 from both sides. I get negative 10 equals 2x divided by 2's. So negative 5 is equal to x. If we wanted to check our answer to make sure that it is right, we would plug the negative 5 back in for x's and simplify, and it does work. The next question that we're going to do today is question 33. Question 33 is the sum of 3 consecutive integers. Again, we have 3 integers, so we're going to organize our information. If the first one is x, since they're consecutive integers, not consecutive even or consecutive odd, we're going to write x plus 1 and x plus 2. The sum of those integers would be x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 228. Simplifying my equation, I get 3x plus 3 equals 228 minus the 3 minus the 3. I get 3x equals 225. Dividing by 3 on both sides, I get x equals 75. Now, when I get the answer of x equals 75, I am not done because it asks me to find 3 numbers. So I have to put, for the first one, I'm going to put 75 for x because that's what we found. The next one is 76, and the next one is 77. These 3 numbers are the answer. And the last one we're going to do today is question number 50. 50 says, find the angles of an isosceles triangle. So I'm going to draw an isosceles triangle. And it says the 2 base angles are the same. So I'm going to put in here x and x. And the third angle is 10 less than 3 times. So 10 less than 3 times. So here's 3 times, here's 10 less than it. All right. If you remember, some of our key words are less than and less. If it says 10 less 3 times the number, then it's 10 minus 3x. If it's 10 less than 3x, then it's 3x minus 10. That word then determines the order. So we're going to make our equation. We know that the 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180. So I'm going to go 3x minus 10 plus x equals 180. Putting my like terms together, 3x plus x gives me 5x minus 10 equals 180. Plus 10 to both sides and I get 5x equals 190, and I divide by 5, and I get that x equals 38. Now, I'm not done because that's just what x is. The question is asking, what are the angles? Well, this angle up here is 38 degrees. This angle is 38 degrees because they're both x. This one up here is 38 times 3 minus the 10. So 38 times 3 gives me 114. 114 minus 10 gives me 104. Now, if I wanted to check to see if it's correct, I'm going to add them together. I get 76 plus 104 equals 180, so it is correct. Thank you, and good luck with your homework. My class wants to say hi. Everybody say hi. Hi. All those